This is an introduction to the joining process for joining dissimilar materials. The workpiece is pre-treated and thermocompression bonded by pulse heat. Pre-treatment is a dry process that does not use chemicals or water. Brass and liquid crystal polymer are joined here. Please see the joining process. First, the workpiece surface is laser processed to form minute roughness. Next, plasma treatment is applied to clean the metal and resin surfaces. The joining process is thermocompression bonding by pulse heat. The joining of brass and liquid crystal polymer is now complete. Strength measurement confirmed breaking of base material on the resin material side. Contact us for combination of other materials.